162 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 18 November, according to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 18 November. 178 people recovered in last 24 hours. 3 new deaths reported on 18 November. Total confirmed cases in the states are 46,344. Total active cases in the state stands at 1,364. Total recovered cases stands at 44,310. Total 670 deaths are reported till 18th November. Goa's recovery rate is 95.61%. Total samples tested till 18th November are 3,26,365. Breakup of total 1,364 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center CSC Picholim 36, CSC Sakre 38, CSC Pelnam 33, CSC Vadpai 19, Urban Health Center USC Mapsa 52, USC Panji 93, Primary Health Center PSC Aldana 11, PSC Bedki 29, PSC Kandolim 70, PSC Kansarvarnam 9, PSC Korwai 34, PSC Kollem 40, PSC Chimbal 66, PSC Shuolim 41, PSC Purwarim 77, PSC Mam 13, Travelers by road, flight, train 0. South Goa Community Health Center CSC Kucharim 20, CSC Kankana 16, Urban Health Center USC Markav 103, USC Vasco 86, Primary Health Center PSC Pali 19, PSC Kansavlim 54, PSC Chinchanim 31, PSC Kortalim 78, PSC Kurtorim 25, PSC Lutolim 23, PSC Marsaim 14, PSC Kapam 26, PSC Sangam 19, PSC Shiroda 26, PSC Dharabandara 20, PSC Ponda 107, PSC Navilim 36. Bed capacity in COVID Care Center as on 18th November are as follows. District North total capacity 275, current vacancy 210. District South total capacity 232, current vacancy 212. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.